Okay, good morning everybody. In our today's lesson, we will see to the introduction of C++ programming. As we have discussed in the previous tutorial class, C++ programming language is a high-level types of programming language, or the instructions are written by using the high-level types of programming languages. So C++ is a powerful computer programming language that is appropriate for technically oriented. By using C++ programming languages, you can write different instructions or you can develop a softwares. C++ is one of the today's most popular software development languages. By using that languages, you can develop different applications. So it is one of the most important popular software development in this today. It is a portable types of programming language. It is a portable. So it may be used for different machines. It is an extension of C programming languages. It is an extension of C programming languages. When we say an extension of C programming language, the set of instructions which are written in C programming languages can be run on the C++ environment, or C++ is the superset of C programming language. Using C++ standard library functions and classes instead of writing your own function. In order to write, instead of writing our own versions, you can use different C++ standard libraries. There are different kinds of standard libraries which are provided by C++ standard library of functions and classes. Can improve the program performance. It is important and it can be used to improve the program performance because it is written carefully to perform efficiently. Let us continue to the, in order to write the set of instructions in C++, what are the important tools that we need? The first one is integrated development environment. This integrated development environment contains, in order to write the set of instructions, it contains the compiler inside it. As we have discussed in the previous class, compiler means it is a system software which is used to convert the set of instructions which are written in high-level language. The set of instructions which are written in high-level language converts into machine language or into machine understandable formats. So the integrated development environment, or IDE, it is used to write C++ programming language. We have different kinds of IDE. First one is CodeBlock, Turbo C++, and Falcon, etc. We have different kinds of IDE in this time. So if you want to download the CodeBlock download ለማድረግ ከፈለጋችሁ, you can use these websites www.codeblocks.org/downloads. From that you can download it. I will show you how can I download. So I will show you. So this is the environment. By the way, while we are selecting the CodeBlocks, it is an open source and cross-platform IDE. It is open source cross-platform IDE. So the CodeBlock, this is the general interface of the CodeBlock environments. So when you install this IDE, you will get these environments on your computer screen. Let us see some basic C++ programming languages. First program in C++. Let us see. This one is when you write the set of instructions by using C++ programming language. First one, you may have the comment line. The comment line. So the comment line may be divided into two. The first one is single line comments. If your comment is completes within a single line, you can use the single line comment. So the single line comment is represented by these double slashes. If your comment is more than one line, you can use multi-line comments. Multi-line comments are represented by those two symbols. Let us see the basic program. Hash include iostream.h using namespace int of main C++, open cout hello world return 0. When you write this instruction, first one is include iostream.h. This hash symbol is called a directive. We call it directive. So these directives, sorry for my interruption. So it tells the compiler. So this hash symbol is with include indicates that tells the compiler to include the file iostream in the files of the above program. This indicates that include iostream means input-output stream. That means the program becomes ready to accept the inputs from the external users and it is ready to display the output on the console screen. When you say the using namespace std, this is the standard libraries. And int of main, this one is int of main. This one is a function. When the compiler executes the program, it starts from the main function or from this function. Cout means this indicates that console output. What is the meaning of this statement is? The meaning of this statement is please display this string hello world on the computer screen. This is, we call it executable statements. After that, the compiler will go to the return value. This indicates that when the program finishes running, it sends a value to the operating system. Its meaning is everything went okay. Everything, or the program is running successfully, and you will close the program. So what will be the output of this program? After you compile, what do you expect, or what will be the output of your program? The output of your program will be the following outputs. This is the output of your program. This will be displayed on the computer screen. This is the output of your program, and this will be displayed on the computer screen. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. If you have any question, you can write on the comment box. Thank you.